Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to configure the CC field settings in BoldDesk. I'll show you the permission required to manage settings and how to configure the CC field settings. Finally, I'll show you the permission required for agents to edit the CC field. The CC field in BoldDesk is a system field that allows agents and customers to include other users as CCs in a ticket, enabling the sending of additional notifications. Based on the default configuration for the CC field, agents and contacts have the permission to view and edit the properties of this field, and CCs can be added when creating or editing a ticket. First, let me show you how to manage the permission required for agents to configure CC field settings in BoldDesk. To configure the CC field settings, agents must have the Manage Settings permission assigned to their role. System roles like Account Owner and Support Administrator have that permission by default. Users with Support Manager or Agent roles do not have such permissions. However, you can create custom roles and enable the Manage Settings permission under the Admin module permission configuration. Now, let me show you how to configure the CC field settings. I log into the BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Then, I click General under Settings to open the General Settings page. By default, the CC field option with all its settings will be enabled and you can configure the settings based on the organization's needs. First, let me show you how to configure the CC field settings for the customer portal. There is an option to edit CC field in the customer portal which allows users to edit the CCs via the customer portal. If it is disabled, users cannot add or edit CCs in tickets. When agents add CCs to a ticket using the agent portal, the field will appear as a read-only on the customer portal. With the Allow User to add a new contact in CC field via Customer Portal option enabled, users can add new contacts in the CC field via the Customer Portal. The new users will then be added to the contact list. By disabling this option, users cannot add new contacts as CCs to a ticket. Next, I'll show you how to configure the CC field settings for support emails. The Allow Users to add CCs via email permission allows users to add new contacts as CCs via email. With the Allow Users to add a new contact to the CC field via email option enabled, users can add new contacts in the CC field via support emails. By disabling this option, users will be unable to add contacts that do not exist to the CC field via email. Once the setting configuration is completed, click the Update button to save the configuration. Based on the configuration made, agents and customers can edit the CC field details. Additional permission is required for agents to edit the CC field. Agents must have the Edit CC field permission enabled for their roles. Finally, let's see what happens when the CC field is disabled. When the CC field is disabled, it will be hidden from the tickets and forward ticket activities. Therefore, the agents and customers cannot add CCs, which in turn results in email notifications for updates not being sent to the CCs of the already existing tickets. Also, the CC'd tickets will not be accessible to users via the customer portal. Note that if a CC user replies to a ticket or forwards a ticket activity via email while this setting is inactive, their reply will be marked as suspicious. In summary, I showed you how to configure CC field settings in BoldDesk. I also showed how to enable permission required to manage settings, CC field configuration for the customer portal, and support email. Finally, I showed you the permission required for agents to edit the CC field details. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.